Comets are icy bodies of frozen gases, rocks, and dust left over from the formation of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They orbit the Sun in highly elliptical orbits that can take hundreds of thousands of years to complete. As a comet approaches the Sun, it heats up very quickly, causing solid ice to turn directly into gas via a process called sublimation. The gas contains water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and other trace substances, and is eventually swept into the distinctive comet tail. As of November 2021, the current number of known comets is 4,584, though billions more are thought to be orbiting the Sun beyond Neptune, in the Kuiper Belt, and the distant Oort cloud far beyond Pluto. Comets are our cosmic time capsules and rarely seen in space, so it attracts everyone towards them. So today we have brought this video to you in which everything about comets is like: what is a comet made of, comet's orbit, and famous comets. What is a comet made of? A comet primarily consists of nucleus, coma, hydrogen envelope, dust, and plasma tails. Scientists analyze these components to learn about the size and location of these icy bodies, according to ESA. Nucleus. The nucleus is the solid core of a comet, consisting of frozen molecules including water, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia, as well as other inorganic and organic molecules, dust. According to ESA, the nucleus of a comet is usually around 10 kilometers across or less. Coma. As a comet gets closer to the Sun, the ice on the surface of the nucleus begins turning into gas, forming a cloud around the comet known as the coma. According to science website howstuffworks.com, the coma is often 1,000 times larger than the nucleus. Hydrogen envelope. Surrounding the coma is a hydrogen envelope that can be up to 6.2 million miles or 10 million kilometers long and is made from hydrogen atoms, according to ESA. As the comet gets closer to the Sun, the hydrogen envelope gets bigger. Tails. There are two main types of comet tails, dust and gas. According to NASA, comet tails get longer as the comet approaches the Sun and can end up millions of miles long. The dust tail is formed when the solar wind pushes small particles in the coma into an elongated curved path, whereas the ion tail is formed from electrically charged molecules of gas. Comets leave a trail of debris behind them that can lead to meteor showers on Earth. For instance, the PERSEID meteor shower occurs every year between August 9 and 13 when Earth passes through the orbit of Comet Swift-Tuttle. Comet orbits. Astronomers classify comets based on the durations of their orbits around the Sun. Short-period comets need roughly 200 years or less to complete one orbit. Long-period comets take more than 200 years, and single-operation comets are not bound to the Sun on orbits that take them out of the solar system, according to NASA. Recently, scientists have also discovered comets in the main asteroid belt. These main belt comets might be a key source of water for the inner terrestrial planets. Scientists think short-period comets, also known as periodic comets, originate from a disc-shaped band of icy objects known as the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune's orbit, with gravitational interactions with the outer planets dragging these bodies inward, where they become active comets. Long-period comets are thought to come from the nearly spherical Oort cloud even further out, which gets slung inward by the gravitational pull of passing stars. In 2017, scientists found there may be 7 times more big long-period comets than previously thought. Some comets, called sun grazers, smash right into the Sun or get so close that they break up and evaporate. Some researchers are also concerned that comets may pose a threat to Earth as well. Famous comets. Halley's Comet is likely the most famous comet in the world, even depicted in the Bayeux Tapestry that chronicled the Battle of Hastings of 1066. It becomes visible to the naked eye about every 75 years when it nears the Sun. Last Halley's Comet zoomed near Earth in 1986. The roughly potato-shaped 9-mile-long or 15-kilometer-long comet contains equal parts of ice and dust, with some 80% of ice made of water and about 15% of it consisting of frozen carbon monoxide. Researchers believe other comets are chemically similar to Halley's Comet. The comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided spectacularly with Jupiter in 1994, with the giant planet's gravitational pull ripping the comet apart for at least 21 visible impacts. The largest collision created a fireball that rose about 1,800 miles or 3,000 kilometers above the Jovian cloud tops, as well as a giant dark spot more than 7,460 miles or 12,000 kilometers across, about the size of the Earth, and was estimated to have exploded with the force of 6,000 gigatons of TNT. In 2021, scientists found what could be the largest comet ever seen. Comet C 2014 UN-271, or Berardinelli-Bernstein. Astronomers estimate this icy body has a diameter of 62 miles to 124 miles, or 100 kilometers to 200 kilometers, making it about 10 times wider than a typical comet. On March 2, 2022, astronomers Frank Mazzi and Bryce Bolin, using the ZWICKY transient facility at the Palomar Observatory in South California, came across an object which they initially identified as an asteroid. Subsequent observations revealed that this star-like object possessed a very tightly condensed coma, indicating that it was in fact a comet. After enough observations were gathered to compute an orbit, astronomers determined C 2022 E3 to have an orbital period of roughly 50,000 years. Its last passage through the inner solar system apparently came during the Upper Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. If we take these calculations at face value, then the last people to look up and witness this visitor from the depths of the solar system were likely very early Homo sapiens or Neanderthals. And now, after 50,000 years, it will be visible to the naked eye by the end of January 2023. If you enjoyed this informative video, please like it and share it with others. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.